How to see someone recent followers on Instagram. Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you step by step on how to find or how to see someone recent followers in Instagram. So after you open up your Instagram app like this, as you can see now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this, now tap on this, as you can see tap on your followers section, this follower section. So if you open your follower section, as you can see on your own Instagram account, as you can see you can be able to recognize that all these people that are at the top, as you can see are your recent followers. As you can see on my Instagram account, these people are my recent followers on my Instagram account. So the old followers that I am having are at the bottom right, at the bottom of my Instagram account. So the recent followers of any person Instagram account are the top followers on his list. As you can see these people this person is the last person that follow me on my Instagram account. So now if I want to see someone recent followers, I will just go ahead and open the person profile. So I'll now tap on this search button and search for someone like, I'll type like Ronaldo. So as you can see this is a footballer. So if I want to see the recent followers of this person, Cristiano Ronaldo, so as you can see as now this person has 628 million followers. So tap on this follower section on his account. After you tap on this follower section, as you can see as I'm recording this video, as you can see currently this person is his last, as you can see followers. So as you can see if I scroll to down, as you can see all these people are the recent followers that he is getting. So the top followers are the recent followers of anyone on Instagram. So now as you can see make sure you look at this image well. So now I will now go ahead and close the profile, close his profile, go to the home of your Instagram and refresh your Instagram like this. After you refresh your Instagram page, so now go back and search for the person that you want to see his recent followers. Here is it. So now tap on the follower section on his account. So as you can see this person, as you can see this is the last followers of the account that I left now. But now as you can see he got another 2 followers. As you can see this is new, this is new. As you can see these are 2 new, but as you can see this is the last one that I left, and this is the new one that he got now. So the recent followers of anyone on Instagram account are the top followers of his account. Hope this video helps you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.